They put it down. Hi, Mom.
Oh, nice. With a GoPro.
That's sick.
There, perfect.
We are going hiking. Collecting our people. So we didn't know there was reservations, and we had to do reservations, but now we finally made it. We are here. Literally arrived. Look at this place. Guys, no congregating. I love that word. That's a good word, congregating. Hell yeah! I'm taking a video of you taking a photo. He's gonna snap it in your face.
No, I was lifting it. Now, if you were walking through that.
Yeah, anything for content.
It's humid and it's hot. Probably Batman. Okay.
So,
Batman.
hello?
Is that you? Dwayne? Oh fuck. That freaked me out for a second. I was like,
Oh, it looks like a training grounds for ninja.
Yeah.
We're training like ninjas. Dude, Kyle just going ham. I think Kyle just Kage Bunshin no Jutsu'd me. Will this work as an ND filter? Oh my god, look at that, dude. We have a sepia filter. And I didn't even edit this yet. Look at that. Guys, it's like you guys are from the past. Yeah. Are you guys from the past? Guys, what's the fastest way to go down? Somebody show an example. And at the support, she carries the loot that we grabbed in this adventure.
yes.
It's not venomous. I was correct. It's definitely. Yeah. There's 3. One more there. Guys, do you think 2 grown adults can fight 3 foxes?
Yeah. What? Yes.
Okay.
There's a lot of cute dogs. And huge foxes! Which is crazy. Anyway, see you guys at home.